Dear student, in today's lecture we will see the classification of system. So first classification is linear and non-linear. To check whether system is linear and non-linear, system is said to be linear if it satisfies the property of superposition and homogeneous. So one equation it must satisfy to check the superposition, that is h of a1 x1 of n plus a2 x2 of n is equals to a1 h x1 of n plus a2 h x2 of n. So step 1, to check the homogeneity, output must be 0 when input is 0. When input is 0. This is, if it satisfies this condition, then it is the homogeneity condition. Then to check this equation, allow individual input to the system and find the output. This is the part, allow individual input to the system and obtain the output, that is y dash of n. Means we can write it as x1 will be the one input, allow individual input to the system, h will be the system, then x2 is the second input, again h is the system, and combine it, and whatever we are getting here, that is y dash of n. This is the individual input we have applied to the system. Third step, combine all the inputs and find the output and check. Combine all the input signal means x1 one input, then x2 may be the second input, combine it first here, then apply with the system, h is the system or any operation, and then obtain y dash of n. If fourth step, y dash of n is equals to y double dash of n, then the system is linear. I will explain the same with one example. Let one example first. If y of n is equals to mod of x of n, this is the example. Then first of all, the first step, if input x of n is the input, if x of n means x of input is 0, then definitely here we will get the output as 0. So it satisfies the first condition. Second condition, apply individual input to the system. Means x1 is the first input, x2 is the second input. Individual input we have to apply with the operation. Operation will be here now, mod is the operation. Okay, you can see here mod is the operation. So here what we will obtain, x1 mod of x1 mod of x2. Then after addition we will get y dash of n is equals to mod of x1 individual input plus second individual input. This is the y dash of n. Third step, now combine the input first and then apply with the operation. x1 is the first input, x2 will be the second input, combine the input first here. So here we will get x1 plus x2, then apply with the operation, operation is mod. So here we will get mod x1 plus x2. Are you getting? And this will be the y double dash of n. Now you can check, this is the y dash of n. If y dash of n is equals to y double dash of n, then the system is linear. But here in this case, what is y dash of n? Y dash of n is x1 of n plus x2. Separate mod are there for individual inputs, and here a combined input and then operation, means operation is the mod. these two terms are totally different, so it is not equal, so the system is non-linear. Why these two inputs are not equal? Let's suppose x1 is 2 and x2 is equals to minus 1, and now apply this x1 and x2 to the operator. So if we put x1 and x2 in this equation number 1, then what we will get? Mod of x1 will be 2 plus mod of minus 1, mod of minus